everybody. Today is December 27, 2024. And yesterday we had a day that was slowly grinding higher. It did hit our target at 6107, and then from there we pulled back. You can see that was the high almost to the tick, and then we were balancing up here. We had a P-shaped profile. We couldn't get any higher, and if we project this imbalance higher, we get that 6136 point of control, which is this untested point of control from this session right here. So it looks like traders are trying to come back into value, but they're not able. There was barely any volume yesterday. Overnight we did have a sell-off, and we have the point of control down here, and my target to repair this bearish imbalance is down here at 60.50, which if we hit that should give us a clue as to what this market wants to do. If it wants to bounce here and then go back and keep trading in this area, or does it want to accept below and keep trying to go lower as it was trying during the past week. So watch that 60.50, which is this high is the target, is the bottom part of that low volume area. If we accept below that, then we can see lower prices into this and retest the 6,000 area. We have this big high volume node here at 5960, which it would be a little bit of a magnet in the case that we start seeing sellers, but with this low volume, I'm not sure we're gonna get any follow through. So let's watch that. Remember, this is a spike. So spike rules say that if we start trading inside the spike, then we can that's the most bearish scenario, and we can see a retest of that low. So let's see what happens at the open. If we see a bounce here, this is short-term support. If we see a bounce here and then we travel back to the top of the range, then this is a resistance area, and then above that then we have this whole distribution, which if we start accepting in here, then we're probably gonna do one of those sweeps through the whole range. So I'm looking at this at each area separate, right? In Q, similar scenario. We are now trading in that support area. I'm tempting to take yesterday's low, and the target is 828 for me. If we get lower, to repair this bearish imbalance from the overnight session, and to repair the bullish imbalance from yesterday's session, my target is at 22,176. So if we get below that, then this magnet is 750, 21,750, as I've been saying for a little bit. And then if we get above that, this low volume area, then the target is up here at 22,300. We don't have much news for the next couple of days. We do have some stuff at 10:30 on natural gas, all inventories at 1 p.m. And then on Monday we have Chicago PMI, pending home index, and the 31st is I believe it's a full session, and the first is closed. All right, that's about it for the indices, and crude hasn't changed much. The 20-day point of control, this shift up here at 70.20. So it's looking a little more like it wants to test that 71 area. See how most of the volume is up here, and a few weeks ago it was down here. So the whole thing is kind of shifting higher. So I'm still watching for that 71 area to be tested at some point. And gold hasn't changed much. Yesterday it tested that area that I was mentioning. Seems like it's accepting lower prices so far. So let's see if this becomes the range that we still accept at, or if we start turning now that we tested the lows and then move back to retest that 90-day point of control up here at the 26.95. I think that's about it. I yesterday had some personal stuff to take care of. Probably I'm gonna be out today, half of the day, and there's very low volume. There's not expecting much for today, and hopefully next year will give us plenty of opportunities. I think we will, especially with Trump in office. All right, good luck everybody.